Yes.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for southeastern Centre County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania, central Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Julietta County in central Pennsylvania, Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Union County in central Pennsylvania, until 10 a.m. At 9:29 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Spruce Run Reservoir to Weichert to near Dudley, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. For those driving on Interstate 80,
WQKX going off for this?
areas between the Loganton and Buckhorn exits, specifically from mile markers 191 to 228. This includes Interstate 180 from mile
Chris, you
markers
can't
1
get it.
to 7.
You're 50.
This includes the following highways: routes 11 and 15 from the Julietta-Snyder County line to meet the Shamokin Dam. Route 11 from the Shamokin Dam to meet the Sandville.
Nope.
From the Shamokin Dam to near Montgomery. Route 22 from Huntingdon to Mount Union. Routes 22 and 522 from Mount Union to Lewistown. Routes 22 and 322 from Lewistown to east of Thompsontown. Route 322 from Potter's Mills to Lewistown. Route 522 from Lewistown to Sealands Grove. Route 522 from Orbisonia to Mount Union. State Road 45 from Millheim to Lewisburg. State Road 61 from Sunbury to Mount Carmel. State Highway. Dangerous snow squalls to impact the region this morning into the early afternoon hours.
Well, damn. Wow, it's coming out there. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Okay. It's really coming down now. That is crazy. And look at that, it even already accumulated some. Wow. Okay. Yeah, wow, this is crazy. And News 8 is not even done yet. So, yeah. It is really coming down out there. Wow. This is crazy. But, wow. Alright, well then. That looks like intensify. Wow, that's crazy. It is really coming down. Well, we'll see what's next.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Julietta County in central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Union County in central Pennsylvania, until 10:30 a.m. At 10:05 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Harvey's Lake to Ridgefield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes
Still coming down pretty damn good.
Williamsport and Muskoka exits, specifically from mile markers 214 to 247. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 105 to 139. Locations impacted include Bloomsburg, Pottsville, Berwick, Sunbury, travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. If traveling on the highway, find the nearest exit or rest area and park safely away from traffic. Allow snow squalls to pass before attempting to resume travel. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Montour County in central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, until 11:30 a.m. At 10:33 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along the line extending from Muhlenberg to Port Trevorton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area.
It accumulated,
On Interstate 80. This includes areas
but the snow has
between
stopped.
and Muskoka exits, specifically for mile markers 230 to 247. This includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 106 to 139. Locations impacted include Bloomsburg, Pottsville, Berwick, Shamokin, Tamaqua, Mount Carmel, Shenandoah, Danville, Minersville, Mahanoy City, Freckville, and St. Clair. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning. Southeastern Bergen County southeastern Pennsylvania until 12 p.m. At 11:42 a.m. was located along the line extending from southern to Northville, moving at 30 miles per hour.
passed for me.